Leadership is all about people and impact. When you are leading a program, you are a temporary CEO. Your job is not only to deliver the projects and convert them into outcomes and benefit. You also need to manage or engage the stakeholders and manage their expectations. And you can't do that without focusing on leadership. Generally, we think that either we need to be manager or leader, but I believe we need to have both perspective. When at one hand leader is talking about future, manager is focusing the present, and when leader is talking about change, the manager is talking about complexity. So you see, they both go hand in hand. Otherwise you will be focusing on one and losing the other side. So if you want to understand what are your core competencies and how to map your core competencies with the program requirements, then do join my program management with corporate startup workshop. Thank you.